Guys, this is Matthew again, and today is 17th of November 2025, and this is our third strategy for today. So make sure you subscribe to all the channels in the video description on YouTube. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 1x, and we're using the MACD again for this one, and we're in dark mode, and this is a deep trader interface. So once you log into your trading account, go to volatility 10 index, click on it, go to an indicator here, momentum, click on MACD, you're going to see it right there. Then go to this trade type here, change this to high low, minutes, 7 minutes, barrier offset is plus 1.86, and we're trading the lower. Enter the amount you want to stake. We're trading the lower ones. There's 4 grains right on top of the line, and they have to be thick green. You can see there's the line here, the candles are below here. It has to be right above it, right on top of this line, and it has to be 4 thick grains before you click on lower. So remember, we're trading the lower. You can see the thickness here. This grain has to be right above it, and it has to be 4. So just something like this right on top of the line. So you can see the grain right on top there. It's a little bit not too thick. I want it to be like this, so it has to be like this before you click on lower. So we're getting some thick grains right there. It has to be okay. So you can see the spot right there. So this is the kind of thickness I'm talking about. So your mouse has to be here, because once we hit the profit, a reasonable one like $5, you sell immediately. Don't have to wait for the trade to end, you have to sell immediately. Have to be ready. Okay, that's $6 right there. So you can see how this works. So once you're patient and get in the market at the right time, you can see the thickness of the candle right there. That's how it should be before you place your trade, and it has to be right above the line. So let's go back to the MT5 interface right here. So the buy sell indicator is at work right there, and we're still giving it away for free. This indicator works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can see it shows you when to buy and when to sell. This is a sell indicator right there. You can see it went all the way down. This is a buy indicator right there. It goes up like this. This is another sell sign right here. So you can use it to trade your Forex and your binary options on Deriv and other broker platforms that support MT5. We're giving it away for free. So to get this indicator and our other bots as well, as a toss skipper bot, the pip stripper bot, the links are in the video description on YouTube. So check the video description. We're giving away free gift as well when you order any of our bots, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. So the infos are here. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account. All these infos, will paste them in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to subscribe to our channel. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Subscribe to all the channels. And to get the indicator, this is an email you will send email to this email after signing up for a free trading account. Enter your last 3 digits of your account and send the subject free indicator. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. These are the links to purchase our bots. This is the link to buy the pip stripper bots. This is the link for the toss skipper bot, and The links to sign up for a free trading account is right here. For those who don't have a trading account, check the video description on YouTube. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. We have 3 channels. Subscribe to all the channels. And there are other infos there as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. We're going to copy them and paste them in the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.